Okay, boys and girls, this is how you make your newscast intro using GarageBand as our composing tool. Go ahead and find the GarageBand icon. I've already sorted mine. It looks like this, like a little guitar. Sit. That's weird. It's never done that before. Sorry, so sorry. Cancel. So you might be sent to a page that looks like this if you've already messed around in here. Otherwise, we want to go, where do we want to go? Let's go to this plus button up here, and it should take us to a page that looks like this. We're going to be playing with the live loops. I would recommend, for our purpose of the newscast one, to create the drama and the minor mood and everything, select chill, okay? So the center one up here. So inside our live loops, we'll have options to a whole bunch of different sounds. Unfortunately, because of the way I have this set up right now, you're not going to be able to see it, but just trust me. First thing you're going to do is select the ones that you want to kind of experiment with. Let's say you can actually hear that and you think it sounds good, and you've already listened to this one and you think those two sound good together. You have to have a minimum of 2. I wouldn't suggest going over 6, otherwise it's just going to sound really crazy and heavy and busy, and it won't sound like a newscast anymore. But your own ears, your own prerogative. Okay, after you've decided this is what you want, you're going to come up to this red button right here and push record. You need to have a minimum of 4 seconds. Okay, so at least 4. If you want it to be longer, you need to go in increments of 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16 max. Okay, so I'll go ahead and go to 8 for myself. All the way through, measure 8, and then hit stop using that button right there. So now I can see my file a little bit differently if I select this icon. I can see how long it is. I can see that it's 8 seconds here with the toolbar. I can see I have this drum beat and I have the piano part that goes like this. I am happy with it. I'm going to go back to this icon right here. And I am going to name it now. Okay, so you're going to hold the title down and then go down here to where it says rename. And let's say newscast. Sorry, I've done this a couple of times, so I have a couple of different intros available here. So once you do that, hit done. Now, here's where it gets funky. Please pay attention. You might want to come back to this part of the video a couple of times. You're going to go up here to the select button. You're going to pick the one that you want. I'm actually going to go back to my original one. I'm going to pick this one, even though this is the one we just did. This is the one I'm going to put on the page. Okay, then you're going to go down here to share. We're going to select song. Don't do these other ones. It will not work with our slide presentation. Select song. None of this matters over here, so go up here to the share button. Hit share. What you're going to do is scroll over and you're going to upload it to your own drive right here. It's going to export the song, and then when you exit out of GarageBand, go into your drive application. Sorry, that I had it open from before. You will see it right here when it gets loaded. So my news intro. So now I'm going to put these 3 dots right here. Make sure that this one, link sharing on, is here. And then you're going to go up here and push the share button. Instead of telling people, you're going to go down here to whatever your icon or your letter is. Mine is an A. And now I can see my link. I'm going to hold my finger down on this link here. I'm going to try to hold it anyway. And then this guy will pop up, copy link, okay? So you will copy that link. Now we're going to close out of the drive and go into our slides. Here we're going to add a new part to our resource page, our GarageBand link, and we are going to paste it here, hopefully. Ta-da! If you hit space, it automatically becomes an active link. You don't have to do anything to it. So your goal today is to, 1, create a newscast-esque link in GarageBand using live loops and save that file. 2, you are going to upload that file to your drive. And 3, you're going to paste an active link here on your slides for my resources page. I'm going to be coming around and helping you. You can come back and watch this video if you need assistance, or just ask me, and good luck.